Doesn't that back bumper look good? Oh, look at that. Right, I've just taken delivery of a diffuser. So I did say something about this in my previous video. This is going to be something which is going on the middle, just here like that. I did miss it on my old bumper, so I decided to get another one, and it's going to look quite good. I need to go get it dipped. Same carbon as the diffuser insert on this rear bumper. Now I'm going to go visiting Hydrov8. I'm going to be doing a video of him, and yeah, it's going to be a good one. So I'm going to be taking a visit to Hydrov8, and I'm going to show you the process of what he does and how he basically dips. Just arrived at Hydrov8. This is the guy who does all my carbon dipping bits. Let's go inside and see what he can do for me.